I have the target location. See the smoke signal near the eastern perimeter.
Confirmed. Marking it on the GPS now. Good spot.
There, building 7. See the steam vents.
Got it. Marking coordinates now. See the conveyor belt near the ridge. That's our target.
Copy that. Confirming coordinates now. Looks like the ground team is signaling.
Look at the canopy! They're everywhere! Confirmed on the map. We need to move carefully.
Now, pull.
I'm pulling.
Careful, don't let it slip away.
All right, team, secure the first net carefully now.
Roger that. Moving to the cargo bay.
Watch your footing, wind is still strong.
All right, pull it steady. Watch the baboon, he's agitated. We need to move quickly.
All right, everyone, keep the pace steady. We're heading into zone gamma now.
Make sure the harnesses are secure on the primates in the back.
Make sure the gamma sector gate is open for the next group, John. We need to keep the flow steady.
Already done, Maria. They seem calm today.
Look at the vitals on platform 4. The heart rate is slightly elevated.
It seems consistent with the control group data from this morning.
Scan complete on station 3. Data looks stable.
Confirmed. Moving the subject to the next phase.
This monkey's rhythm seems slightly elevated. Check the history.
Agreed, but the QRS complex is normal.
Scan motion looks good on Unit 7. Check the renal artery visualization.
Visualizing the artery now. Flow is consistent.
We have a slight anomaly on Sector 3. Reroute to secondary analysis.
Acknowledged. Rerouting subject 74.
We have a clear reading on Station 3. The skeletal structure is perfectly mapped.
Acknowledged. Send the next subject through.
Water pressure looks a little low on lane 3. Okay, increasing the flow rate now. Check the foam levels. They look optimal.
The optimized foam solution is working perfectly on this batch.
Yes, the rinse cycle pressure is stabilized now. They look very clean.
The rotating towels use capillary action to wick the moisture away without stressing the fur. It's much faster than the old method.
The moisture extraction is stabilizing right here.
Good. We are within the parameters now.
Let's bump up the speed on this section. They are clearing the trays faster than expected.
Agreed. Adjusting the portion controls now to match the increased flow. We've programmed the rotation to match their natural foraging behavior. See how this group responds. Fascinating.
The consistency is remarkable.
Let's bump up the speed on this section. They are clearing the trays faster than expected.
Agreed. Adjusting the portion controls now to match the increased flow.
All chimpanzees are accounted for. Proceeding with the final seal.
Confirmed.
All units, guide the final group to the central quadrant.
Confirmed. Secure the gate sequence now.
Line 4 is showing a pressure drop.
What's up?
Compensating now. Keep monitoring the output.
The biomass density is stable at 99.8%. We can increase the throughput by 10% now.
All right, initiating the adjustment sequence.
The flow rate on Unit 4 seems slightly high.
I see it. Adjusting the parameters now. The quality remains optimal. Look at the consistency on the vertebrae output. We're exceeding the target parameters.
Impressive. The new algorithm is definitely working.
Line 4 is showing a pressure drop.
What's up?
Compensating now. Keep monitoring the output.
The flow rate on line 3 is slightly high.
I see it. Adjusting the intake valve now.
The cellular regeneration rate is stable at 99.8%.
And the material consistency looks perfect on this batch.
The sensor readings here indicate uneven pressure in the tunnel.
Let's increase the rotation speed on the nozzles and monitor the output.
The sensor readings here indicate uneven pressure in the tunnel.
Let's increase the rotation speed on the nozzles and monitor the output. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge here.
It fluctuates when the nozzles rotate. Make sure it stays within the green zone.
The seal quality on batch 3 is inconsistent. I'm adjusting the heat settings now.
Okay, let me check the pressure alignment on this side.
Okay, make sure these go on the 3rd shelf, organized by date. We need this shipment out by 1400 hours.
Check the temperature log for chamber 7 and redirect these packages to aisle 4.
Right away. The scan confirms the destination.
This one goes to rack 7B.
Got it. Is the inventory showing correctly now?
The pressure on line 3 is still reading low. I'm increasing the flow rate now. That should stabilize it.
I'm increasing the roller speed slightly now.
Okay, I see the readout stabilizing. Keep monitoring the moisture levels.
The sealing temperature on line 3 is fluctuating.
Adjusting parameters now.
Quality check confirms all units are within tolerance.
Monitor the sealing edges closely. The temperature might be fluctuating.
It seems stable now. The throughput is excellent on this run.
We need to route the premium skincare to lane 4 immediately.
Confirmed. Routing now.
Scan complete. Place these 5 on the top row, making sure the labels face outward for easy inventory checks.
The input flow rate seems stable at 200 kilograms per hour.
And the output fragmentation.
Consistent with the parameters we set this morning. The input flow rate seems stable at 200 kilograms per hour.
And the output fragmentation.
Consistent with the parameters we set this morning. We need to increase the speed on conveyor 3B. The backlog is growing.
Copy that. Speed increased and the pressure adjusted.
We have a fluctuation on panel 4. Adjust the pressure up slightly.
Copy that. Bringing it back into spec.
The particle consistency is stabilizing right on target. We should increase the flow rate by 5% now.
Agreed. I'll adjust the feed mechanism.
The current ratio is stabilizing at 3:1.
Good. Maintain speed. We are reaching the target consistency.
The mixture is reaching optimal consistency now, just as the protocol suggested.
Good. The zeta potential looks stable according to the readout.
Check the viscosity on line 3. It's reading high.
Adjusting the blending speed now. Temperature is stable.
The viscosity levels are stabilizing right on target. We can increase the flow rate now.
I've adjusted the flow rate on line 3. The volume is normalizing.
Excellent. Keep the speed steady.
The flow rate on line 3 is fully optimized now, and we're exceeding the target output.
That's excellent news. The new calibration is working perfectly.
Throughput is exceeding targets this hour.
We just adjusted the synchronization on this line. Everything is running smoothly now.
The branding on this batch looks perfect. I've adjusted the speed on the HMI.
Good. Let's monitor the sealing edges for the next hour.
Pallet 72, row 5, section C.
Copy that. Moving it now.
Ensure the Colgate shipment is prioritized on lane 4.
Copy that. Moving it now.
This pallet is complete. I just scanned the last box of the Colgate shipment.
Okay, let me check the manifest. Looks good.
Back it up slowly now. Watch the clearance. We need these boxes prioritized.
Roger that. Scanning the first batch now.
Looks like we're moving fast today. Only a few more pallets left.
That's great news. I thought this delivery would take longer.
This provides 24-hour cavity protection and whitens in 1 week.
Wow, my teeth have never felt this clean. I highly recommend it.
Did you find everything all right?
My teeth feel incredibly clean.
Mine too. Look how shiny they are.